Hello there, it's Taija with WTI, and if you are a fellow musician or you have one in your family, this Korg PS3 switch or foot pedal is an amazing piece of equipment for your everyday use. We've been using this for years and it doesn't show any signs of wear or tear yet. This Momentary Footswitch can be used as a sustain pedal for MIDI keyboards or as a trigger for drum machines. Anything that takes the standard 6mm plug. And as I said, this has worked for years already in active use and there's no signs at all of any wear. So it is reliable, it's simple, it's lightweight. If you're a musician that works in concerts or go for gigs, you can also take this easily with you and you always have your reliable portable foot switch. This is a great choice for all fellow musicians. And that, of course, is just my point of view.